Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make Okra Detangling hair product. So this is going to be a collaboration, so let's get started. Today's video is a collaboration with Rachel M, and she is a wonderful naturalista. She has a ton of videos about hair care, DIY. I love her videos. They are amazing and you guys should check it out. So we are going to be doing this. She did a Okra Detangling conditioner and I am just gonna copy her recipe. I set up with frozen okra, which I later rinsed off, and this is what it looks like. Now okra has a ton of benefits, such as, it has vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K. It contains calcium, potassium, and lots of great nutrients for your hair care needs. So I start off by taking a saucepan and taking 1 cup of my okra. If you guys want, you can add just 1 cup of water or just a little bit over 1 cup of water and heat that up. Now just know that if you want more slimier okra conditioner, you want to chop this up. I heated this up for about 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes this was what it looked like. If you reduce the amount of water you use, you will of course have a thicker consistency than I did. I have a more looser consistency just because I didn't want such an heavier okra mixture. Now, if you want to compare Okra Detangler to something else, you could compare it with Ambuno. Do you guys know Ambuno? Well, Rachel she couldn't find Ambuno where she lives in Spain, so she decided to use Okra. I am very happy to collaborate with Rachel because she has amazing videos, and this recipe was one that I have been trying. I've been using it as a leave-in, but I've never used it as a detangler in my hair before. So now we have the product, and we need to strain it out. So you can just strain it like this. If you want more of the slimier okra detangler, you can squeeze it up with a cheesecloth to kind of get more of that goo in there. So after I have strained it off, this is the look that I have, and it's more of a looser consistency, but we're cool with that. You don't want to just throw away the okra that you used. Please save it, because guess what, I am going to be making some fabulous okra soup with this. Okay, so my okra mixture or product is warm. I'm gonna let it cool down and then transfer it to my applicator bottle. It gives me an amount of 8 ounces, which is just perfect for my natural hair and for the detangling process that I want. So I cover it up with my applicator cap. If you want to know where to find applicators like this, of course you can look on our Amazon page. We have an Amazon page right there where you'll be blown away by all the videos and other things we have. So this is my consistency. As you can see, it's quite loose. So time to use it on my hair. Oh my goodness, it is so embarrassing, the way of my hair, the state of my hair. It is like so hard, so tangled up, but let's see how well this does because this did a great job on Rachel's hair, so I bet it should do a great job on my hair, right? You guys have to check out Rachel's video and see what she did. She took one of my videos and recreated it and saw if it really works on her hair. What am I doing now? I'm just sectioning up my hair into a smaller portion, and I need to kind of apply it first to my scalp area. And people were saying don't put okra on your scalp, but I don't know. Anyway, I am going to do it. So okra is amazing. One thing that okra does for your hair is not only does it help with hair growth retention, it also helps with moisturizing dry scalp and also with dandruff. So if you guys have dandruff, you can try applying this. People rave about it. Everybody raves about it. You can also use it as a deep conditioner. So this is what my hair looks like afterwards. My curls are popping. Okay, guys, so I'm having too much fun with this okra. It is a messy business, but my comb can glide through. Hallelujah, my comb can glide through my hair, and I am so happy. Because my hair was so tangled, guys. I purposely made my hair tangled so that I can be able to test Rachel's okra detangler. Girl, you know what you were doing when you did that video. You guys, you just have to go and check out Rachel's video, and my hair felt amazing. Look at it. Look at the shine. There's no oil, nothing. But anyway, I'm gonna just twist up my hair, and after twisting up my hair, this is what it looks like. The alarms are going. My hair is back to its normal stage. So we're just gonna keep on doing this. And to reveal, after doing this, I will be washing my hair. Yeah, I'll be washing my hair because I'm not gonna keep this in my hair, but I'm gonna be washing my hair to reveal what happens next. So this is the routine. You want to use okra. I want to know, let me tell you something. I want to know, how many of you have ever used okra in your hair? Let me know. I want to know. And do you know that even using okra in your hair has some other benefits that I've not yet mentioned? Okra is rich in amino acid, and it also has ingredients kind of similar to sulfur. And we all know that sulfur is good for dandruff. So if you are tackling with dandruff, try okra. Also, if you've not used gels in your hair and you want a more natural gel, guess what? Use okra. If your hair tends to freeze up when you do a twist out, guess what? Use okra. If your hair tends to be not moisturized, try using okra. And I even read somewhere that okra has antibacterial property. This helps keep your scalp balanced, keeps it healthy. And look at that. I've never yet done anything to my hair, and my curls are already trying to do what they do. Anyway, so let me give you another recipe if you want to use okra. You can take okra and then mix it up with some marshmallow root and like peppermint essential oil. This is a recipe I found on Curly Nikki, so you guys can give it a try and let me know what other recipes do you use when you make okra, and will you be using okra or will you be eating okra? Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. But wait, before you go, please, just check out check out Rachel's video and tell her that I sent you. I had so much fun doing this collab. Thank you, Rachel. See you guys. Bye.